Alright, here's my Craigslist pickup of a DP220. I have disassembled and cleaned the head, not the motor, but I put all of the small parts through Simple Green, used a little bit of a wire brush, soaked some of them in vinegar overnight, cleaned up the casting as best as I could with just Simple Green. Still got some rust and crud on there, but it's looking pretty good. Everything went together real nice. The main problem that was holding everything up was rust on the spindle right here. There was rust all over this part that was preventing it from sliding down through the pulley. And see here, I've cleaned everything except for the quill. The quill is just had that rust cleaned off the spindle. But I'm going to fire it up here. Cleaned up the post with wire brush and some Simple Green and Scotch-Brite pads, penetrating oil. Haven't done much of anything to the base yet. The table and the belt cover haven't been touched yet. The cord on the motor, you can see in several places, is just cracking and falling apart all the way down. That whole thing's going to have to go. Haven't done anything to the motor or the motor mount yet. I think I'm going to try electrolysis for the table and maybe the base. We'll see. And I haven't decided if I'm going to paint everything yet, but definitely going to at least clear coat, do a rust preventative. Alright, thanks for watching.